Is there a way to define an amplitude event that basically is this is what a rage click is?
What you could do, we could maybe use the frequency and then use a stacked area chart for this bar chart. Essentially, what this is showing us is the number of users who performed this event this many times. So you can see there's 16 users who performed that element clicked 16 times. We can go in, click on this bar, which is the cohort of that user group that met that threshold, and then watch this session replay. So this will deep link us to the user and then ideally the journey.
But this would be frequency of them clicking on the element throughout their entire session, not necessarily in a very short period of time.
Yeah, so in this case, we might want to use the real-time interval or something along those lines to isolate it down to that period. The other way I could think of doing this would be within a funnel, and then we can do this element clicked event. We might want to do the conversion window to, let's say, 20 minutes, perhaps. There's two ways I could think about doing it. We could basically have multiple step funnel to kind of show that they did that behavior in a repeated fashion to kind of get to your exact point of we want it to be isolated down to that time period.
But this would only capture elements that are clicked that actually register. So it wouldn't capture dead clicks.
That's correct. So I think the kind of best approximation would be to use this and then build the analysis and then layer in the funnel. Totally requires the existence of those events in terms of being tracked.